Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Finding Disney, where we're finding Disney magic right here at home. And since this is a collaboration, some of you might be stopping by my channel for the first time. So hello and welcome. So if you didn't know by the title, this is a July Christmas swap, Christmas in July swap. And so if you wanted to notice my outfit, that could be your second clue that this is also a Christmas swap. These ears were made from my friend Christy at Christy's Corner, which is really cute. And I thought they were cute for Christmas. And I'm wearing this sweatshirt that I got at Target like 2 or 3 years ago, and I love it. So the fun thing about this swap is I don't know who this is from, and this is no preferences. So although my gifter did ask me a few questions, well, not my gifter, but Heather, my friend who organized this. Thank you, Heather. She's done a lot of work. I've organized a few swaps myself and collaborations, so I know how much work it is. Thank you, Heather. So as you saw from the thumbnail, I got these cute stickers on the front, and it says Christmas Joy in July. And opening the box, I can see a card right on top with some Christmas colors already popping out at me. What a cute sticker on the front. It actually moves. I don't know if you can see that, but there's glitter inside. That's really cute. Christmas already. It's really honestly not that far away. It seems like it, but it comes up on us so fast. Tony, surprise! Your secret gifter was really me. I'm so happy to have gotten to know you these past 3 years. Me too. Me too, Allie. I was even more thrilled to receive your name and to be able to gift you for a second time during a swap. Happy Christmas, joy in July, my sweet friend. Many blessings, love, Allie. Thank you, Allie. Our friendship is very important to me. Thank you. This looks like a lot of fun. Christmas is fun, getting presents is fun, but I really love giving presents. So I got to give, whoops, I just moved my camera. I got to give to the Disney sisters, and so you'll have to check out their channel after mine to see what I got them. I had a lot of fun shopping for them. Okay, first thing I'm seeing is stickers. These are Aladdin stickers. Aladdin is arguably my favorite movie. Sometimes I'll watch other movies and then I'm like, okay, maybe that's my favorite. But then I like always go back to Aladdin. But I really love Frozen too. Frozen and Frozen 2. Oh, those are really, really cute. What does it say? Say the magic words and your wish is my command. These are really neat. And I like how they're clear. That's really cool. Because I know you love chocolate and peanut butter. That is true. Reese's Pieces are definitely up there for me. Thank you for the treat. I will probably literally eat this bag before the day is over. I don't know. I just can't stop myself. Okay, oh, it looks like there's a little bit of an order because this one says open last. Let me check the other presents to make sure. You know, I saw this was Minnie Mouse paper, but I didn't realize that it was Christmas Minnie Mouse. That is really sweet. There's candy canes and ornaments and snowflakes. I wonder where you found this, Allie. You'll have to tell me in the comments. I've never seen this wrapping paper before. I could tell this felt like a mug. Let's see, it feels heavy and really nice. I'm anxious to see what the picture on it is. Whatever it is, I know that I love it because it's my friend. It's from my friend. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so sweet. Walt Disney's Dumbo. I love the red color. I love the old-fashioned looking print. It's the same print on the back. I really like Dumbo as well. What I like about Dumbo is that he's so sweet and that he doesn't talk and he just doesn't need to. He's just adorable. And this is just so neat. And like I said, it feels heavy and I cannot wait to use this. This must be my cozy item. We had a few like requirements, a cozy item and a wearable. This one might be my wearable. Let's see here. Oh, I see a red box. I know what that means. oh, she covered it up and said no peeking because they show the picture on the side. This is exciting. This is only my second Jim Shore. I have a few ornaments that aren't Disney, but they're Jim Shore. But this is my first collectible, my second collectible, sorry. Okay, the anticipation is building. I'm gonna assume it's gonna be Christmassy. Let's see. Oh, it's Jasmine. Well, it's not Christmassy, but that's okay. This kind of looks like it could be. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Allie. I absolutely love this. So beautiful. Wow, all the details around the edges, and that's what Jim Shore does. He just takes an ordinary character and just turns it, well, and this is a special character to me, but takes it even to a more beautiful place with all the details. And like the quilting, almost, it looks like to me. I think that's what, you know, what it's supposed to look like. You know, this movie, this Aladdin movie, I just want to share a memory with you guys. I vividly remember seeing this movie in the theater. My dad took me and my sister. My mom was having like a girls' night at the house, and so my dad was just getting me and my sister out of the house. And my dad took us to see this movie, and I think maybe that's why I love it so much, is because it's just a memory I have with my dad. So, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna set this box down. Oh, there's one more item in here. So I'm gonna get this first. This feels like it could be a pin. Allie's gotten me a few pins before. We did a pin swap, and I think it was a pin swap, right, Allie? You can correct me if I'm wrong. But I remember she got me a sparkly Mickey hand and a, she got me a castle, Disney, like a Disneyland pin, which I'd never had before. Oh, this is so great. I am here. What are your other two wishes? That's funny. Very cute. I don't have a pin like this. Genie's definitely one of my favorite characters. Wow, Allie, thank you so much. I know this isn't like a preference swap, but you really nailed it here. Wait a second, I just got to thinking this was a preference swap. That's how Allie knew everything. I forgot we filled out this whole sheet. Everybody's probably watching this like, you crazy person, we filled out a sheet. Okay. So Allie isn't psychic. She did know my preferences because I filled out this whole questionnaire. All right, moving on to open last. I don't want it to be over yet. This kind of feels like it could be a pair of ears. This is exciting. I don't have any Christmas ears. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. I can see them through the bubble wrap already. Already I can see. Let's see. These kind of look like the ones I'm wearing. I wonder if Christy made these too. Oh. These are so, wait. Did Heather make these? It might have been Heather. I don't know. Oh, okay. I'm going to try these on now. I just got my hair cut, y'all. Whoops. It looks so shiny and healthy today, so I was like, I gotta film. I just got my hair cut, and I just got new glasses too. What do you guys think? Huh? Red, and they match my outfit. They match the Christmas outfit. These feel so comfortable and light, and I just love the colors. I like that she mixed patterns together, that there's polka dots and plaid. Let's get a little closer. I don't want to show you my dirty house too much. Because I cleaned up in the background, but you never know, y'all. And the dog's back there too, so. Wow, these are really cute. Now I need to wrap this up before my dog starts tearing all the paper up and everything that's on the ground, and you guys can hear it. But I am just so thankful and grateful for the time that you took, Ellie, to shop for me and to buy me all these beautiful items. Thank you so much for the ears. It's so hard to pick a favorite. I know, what is your guys' favorite? Is it the mug, is it the ears, the Jim Shore, or this pin is really awesome? Gosh, I don't know. I think it's a toss-up for me, but I think I'm gonna have to go with the Jim Shore. And I really like the ears too, but I guess if I had to pick one, it's like picking between two favorites. So let's just say two favorites. I love the ears and I love this Jim Shore. You guys check out all the other channels, and Merry Christmas in July. Bye.